Hello, I'm Emma Murphy from SPELD SA, and I would like to share a resource with you today from the UFLI Foundations Toolbox, the word work mat. And here's one I have prepared. I've laminated mine and I used Velcro dots to help take the sounds on and off as we need them, and I've stuck it to my folder here. So we can close it up if we want to and we're finished, and then open it again when we need it. I just wanted to show you how to find that on the toolbox. Click onto the UFLI Foundations website and you'll see lesson resources. If you scroll right down the bottom, you can see bricks here that give you all the resources you need for the lessons. But today I just wanted to show you right at the top, there's a burnt orange colour box here in the corner, and down here you'll see printable resources. So I'll click on that. It'll bring you to another page, and if you go right down here, you can see word work mat. Click on the download printable word work mat, and you can see here there's everything you need to print off. A set for yourself, for your students as well. I like to have this with me when learning about the program. We hope you enjoy this resource, and you might like to bring it along with you if you're attending the workshop in November. Bye.